Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create a scalable WooCommerce setup using only free tools in 2025. First, start with a strong foundation. Use a lightweight free theme like Astra or Cadence that is built for performance and WooCommerce. Next, optimize for speed. Install the Lightspeed Cache plugin to handle caching, then install the Smush plugin for automatic image optimization. Fast loading times are critical as you grow. For managing orders, use the built-in WooCommerce features. Organize orders with statuses and use the search and filter tools to handle increased volume without a paid plugin. To scale your product catalog, use the native WooCommerce CSV importer and exporter. You can find it under WooCommerce, Products, Shormport. This free tool lets you bulk add or update hundreds of products at once. For email marketing, connect the free MailChimp for WooCommerce plugin to automatically build your list and send campaigns as your customer base grows. Finally, secure your growing store. Install the free WordFence security plugin, enable the firewall and enable two-factor authentication for all admin users to protect against threats. And that's it. You've built a fast, organized, and secure store that can handle more products, more orders, and more customers using only free resources. If this helped you plan for growth, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.